Hey my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So this is the step 2 of the lace frontal plum burgundy hair series. I'm just gonna call it the cherry plum series. I did show you in the last video what the color was like, but I didn't go in detail, and as you can see, I'm just brushing out the hair, playing with it a little. Now, one thing I have to say is I'm not going to be leaving the link of this hair in the description box because I found that this hair was a mix of synthetic, and as you can see, it really, really bad. And I was able to work with it, but I suffered to get it to look as good as it does now. Trust me guys, it looked worse than this. I had to put it through my secret virgin oil conditioning treatment routine to be able to get it to look like this, and I apologize for not filming that too. So now let's just go into the colors. I have got the rich eggplant in color 186, and then I've got two of the magenta and one of the feisty fuchsia. So I've got three different colors that I'm working with today. It just took me a while to check my memory. Wait. Right, so the rich eggplant is this really nice purpley color, like dark purple. The color I really wanted to go for was I wanted the purple like at the roots and at the tip, like a sandwich color, and then I wanted to mix the magenta and the feisty fuchsia together to get like a cherry pinky vibe for the middle and for the hair, which actually it did turn out the way I want, so yay, I am happy about that. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and mix half and half of a magenta because I don't want to turn out the whole bottle first in case I don't need all of it. So that's half and half of that's half and half of magenta, and then I'm gonna dip in a quarter and a quarter of feisty fuchsia, so I still have another half of feisty fuchsia to go in with the other full bottle of magenta, if that makes any sense. I'm sorry if I'm rambling guys. So yeah, that's just what I've done right now. So there was no need for the third bowl. So now as you can see, that's the feisty fuchsia just going in, dip 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 dab. So I just put that to the side, and as you can see, that's the magenta mixed with feisty fuchsia, and the one that's really dark is the rich eggplant. Look at that. Nice pretty cherry red color. And I'm just going to go ahead and mix the other one as well. The reason I put this in two separate bowls was because I didn't want it to spill or be too full, because that will make a bigger mess, and you want to make sure you put like a bag or lining on top whichever surface you're doing, because you don't want to mess up anything. So see, like I said, I'm just gonna go ahead with the rich eggplant and start from the roots. And you really want to be careful with your frontal guys, because you don't want to get color on your frontal, because then when you have to put your frontal on, you don't want your scarf to be looking purple or bright red. So please be really careful. And I did get a bit of that color onto my lace frontal, but it wasn't a lot and it wasn't too bad. So as you can see, I'm literally just taking my time and like literally going little by little. I know it feels like I'm gonna be there forever. I was there for a long time, and but I literally was being super careful and just taking a few strands at a time. gonna go in with my magenta mixed with Vice Diffusion, and as you can see, I'm starting it right where I stopped that purple, trying to blend it in together so it has like a nice transition in color. And I'm just gonna go ahead and do this process and carry it on until I get to like close to the tip. So yeah. Now that I'm at the tip, I'm just gonna go back in with my rich egg blend, which is really purpley fireball, and do the same thing. Blend it in with the magenta fuchsia color and get it right on the tip. Told you I wanted like a sandwich color, so there we go. Now that the frontal's done, I'm just gonna go ahead and repeat the exact same process for the bundles. The only thing I can say is make sure you get the color properly into the bundles. You want to make sure you've not left any track or little hidden little baby in there uncovered, because then you're gonna have like little blonde hairs in between. So you just want to absolutely make sure that you get your color to cover every bit of the hair that you want it to cover. Just to mention, guys, that I ended up using all 4 bundles of the hair dye for the 4 bundles here in the frontal, because 1 frontal and 2 bundles in, I ran out of the Vice Diffusion magenta, so I had to make that mix again. And yeah, so this is what the hair looked like. Oh yeah, I did let the hair process overnight, so I can't say how many hours it was for, but it was left overnight so the color could sit in very well. So this is what it looked like after I had already shampooed the hair and got all the extra excess color out of it. So I then made it into a wig. So if you want to see how that turned out, then keep watching. Thank you, guys.